Lila loved planting seeds and watching flowers grow in her garden. Jake enjoyed picking flowers, but never thought of planting new ones. One day, Jake saw Lila planting seeds in the soft soil. "Why do you bother planting seeds, Lila?" Jake asked curiously. Lila smiled and said, "Because they grow into beautiful flowers." Jake laughed. "That takes forever. I'd rather pick flowers right now." Lila replied, "Patience brings joy, Jake. Just wait and see." Weeks passed, and Jake noticed colourful blooms in Lila's garden. He frowned, seeing his picked flowers had already wilted. "Your garden is so beautiful, Lila," Jake exclaimed. "It's because I cared for it, Jake," Lila said kindly. Jake thought for a moment and said, "Can I help plant seeds?" Lila nodded, handing him some seeds and showing him how. Together, they planted rows of seeds and watered the soil. Soon, Jake's garden was filled with flowers just as beautiful. Jake smiled, proud of the blossoms he had grown himself. "Patience and effort really do pay off," Jake said happily. Moral: hard work and patience create lasting rewards. From that day on, Jack balanced games with outdoor play every day. Moral: staying active and healthy brings energy and happiness to life.